So your brain produces these coordinated patterns of electrical activity are known as neural rhythms. And we can take control and we can optimize those neural rhythms to help our memory performance. And so I'm going to run through a little bit how they work in regards to memory and then a couple of examples of them in real life as well, so that you can start to integrate some neural rhythm optimization to get better outcomes at each stage of the memory process. So first of all, quick recap on neural rhythms and memory. Our brains exhibit various patterns of electrical activity, and those are our neural rhythms. And these play a really crucial role in memory formation, storage, and also retrieval. So while these are things like alpha, theta, delta, beta, gamma, I want to talk about three today. And this is your alpha waves, your theta waves, and your gamma waves. And each of these can help us at different stages to help us enhance memory performance. So first of all, let's talk about the alpha rhythm. Now, the alpha rhythm is associated with a relaxed and a focused state of mind. So it's really crucial for effective memory encoding. Now, one thing that you can do, and we use other external stimuli to optimize neural rhythms as well, like binaural beats and physical activities, mental activities. These are going to be more activity-based things that you can do as well. So one activity to optimize the alpha rhythm is mindfulness meditation. And when we practice mindfulness, we get to enhance our attentional control and we get to promote a relaxed state. And that's really where we want to be for optimal memory encoding. So try setting aside a few minutes to engage in focused breathing even, or mindfulness meditation exercises. And you want to do those before you want to encode that information. Let's talk about theta rhythms as well. Now, these are closely tied to memory consolidation and retrieval. So one activity to optimize the theta rhythm is journaling, because a lot of our consolidation happens while we're asleep or while we're in a deep state of relaxation. So writing in a journal before bed can help to facilitate the consolidation of memories during sleep. So reflecting on your day and jotting down key experiences or insights not only promote the theta rhythm, but they also enhance your memory consolidation process. So try and make journaling a nightly habit and just take a look at how it helps your memory recall as well. The last one is gamma rhythm optimization, and this is associated with higher cognitive functions like memory integration and pattern recognition. So to optimize the gamma rhythm, this is where you can engage in activities that challenge your brain's pattern recognition abilities, like solving puzzles, playing strategy games, learning a new musical instrument. All of those stimulate the gamma rhythm, and these activities provide cognitive stimulation, and they really promote the foundation of new neural connections, and that's what we want to enhance memory performance. So again, do this stuff before you then try and retrieve the memories as well. And we can optimize these neural rhythms throughout the memory process. We can do it at encoding, consolidation, and also retrieval. So during the encoding stage, we want to optimize the alpha rhythm to foster that focused attention and deep encoding. So this is where we want to get ourselves into that relaxed state, but also a state where we've got enhanced attention. And we do this through deep breathing or mindfulness, progressive muscle relaxation, or even guided imagery as well. And we want to prioritize minimizing distractions so that we can create that optimal learning environment as well. And that's going to help us to lay that really solid foundation for effective memory formation. Now let's talk about consolidation. And as I said, a lot of it happens during sleep. This is where our brain consolidates and stabilizes memory, and we can help to facilitate that process by optimizing our theta rhythms. And to do that, you need a good sleep routine, and you need to prioritize quality sleep, and you need a good relaxation routine, and you need to prioritize quality relaxation. So to get that, to make that happen, make sure that you're creating a calm and a comfortable environment, one that's free from disruptions. Before bed, engage in relaxation techniques, different mindfulness, different gentle stretches that are going to help promote that theta rhythm and to facilitate that memory consolidation by getting you in that deep relaxation state as well. Now let's talk about retrieval. And when it comes to memory retrieval, the gamma rhythm plays a really crucial role in connecting and integrating stored information. So to optimize the gamma rhythm during retrieval, you want to engage in activities that challenge your brain's pattern recognition abilities. So solve puzzles, engage in brain training games, or participate in activities that require you to make connection between pieces of information. And when we do that, we get better at memory retrieval as well. So let's bring all of that together as well. What do we really want to do? We want to optimize our neural rhythms for improved memory performance. And we want to do that by incorporating different activities into our daily routine. So remember, mindfulness meditation for alpha rhythm optimization. This is great in the consolidation, in the initial encoding stage, because we want to be relaxed, but we want to also be paying attention. We want to have enhanced attention. Journaling for theta rhythm optimization, which is great for the consolidation stage. Reflect on your day, write it down, and that's going to help to facilitate that memory consolidation during sleep. And lastly, memory retrieval. This is where we want those gamma rhythms at play. And to do that, we want to engage in puzzles or strategy games to help to challenge our brain's pattern recognition abilities so that we get better at retrieval as well. And remember, we want to do this stuff before we go and encode and before we consolidate and before we retrieve. And we want to do it consistently. And when we incorporate these activities into our daily routine, we're starting to get the benefits all the time, not just when we want to try and quickly turn it on. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. But what I want you to think about is how you can apply these strategies in your life consistently. And it means being aware of when those stages are at play. When are you first encoding that information? When are you planning on consolidating that information as well? And then lastly, are you even taking any effort to retrieve that information before you need it? Like the next day is great. Do something to pull out that important information. And I just want to be really clear. When we talk about the things that you want to remember, a lot of the time we think of information, and yes, it's great for information, but it might also be memories or experiences. You might want to really remember your wedding day very vividly, or you might have a great achievement that you really want to remember that experience as vividly as you can for as long as you possibly can. And this is great for that as well, whether it's information, whether it's knowledge, whether it's memory, experiences, whatever we want to reconstruct and whatever we want to stay close to and have within our reach for as long as possible is what we want to encode and consolidate and retrieve. So even after you've had a great day and a great experience, the next day, retrieve that information and walk through the details of it as well. And most importantly, continue to explore and experiment with different techniques and see how they impact your memory's performance over time. But most of all, this stuff should be fun. You know, improving your memory is actually a lot of fun. We get to make mistakes, we get to try things, and we get to see it all come together because we can actually track this progress. And if you aren't noticing changes and progress, please reach out to us. We can help you because this stuff is great, it works, and you should notice the improvements as well. So happy optimizing. That's all for now. Bye now.